This is a McLaren 600 LT. I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level in this car. It is the same for a 570S, 570 GT, 620R, but it's really quite simple. This is our selection stock, and we want to push it in from the main screen there, go down, so we're just pushing down on that until we get to the information, pull it towards us, go down to oil status. Now the first time you go to do it, it may not work, but conditions not met, we need to push the brake pedal. I'm pushing the brake pedal, it's not working. Now to make this work, we go out of the menu, come right back in, and it's gonna work this time. So we push the brake, we're gonna push the throttle all the way down, and it's gonna go to 2,000 RPM. Countdown, we're going to get our green bar, and that's right where we want it. We can go up one more bar, which is going to be a very, very small amount, like maybe 0.1 liters, but that is acceptable anywhere it's green and says okay.